This is a 50-story skyscraper going up in China. But look closer. Those aren't human workers. They're robots. They weld steel, lay bricks, pour concrete, install windows. Each robot does the work of 3 humans, faster and more precise. 30 human workers cost $250,000 per year. 10 robots cost $125,000, half the cost, and they finish construction 40% faster. China has 11 million construction workers. By 2028, experts predict 5.5 million will lose their jobs to robots like these. Perfect precision, 0 injuries, 40% faster. But what about 5.5 million workers? Hit subscribe now to see which jobs disappear next. Would you trade human jobs for faster buildings? Comment below.